Hello guys, this is Candice from Huidu Technology. This video, I will show you how to use a USB flash drive to update LCD display programs. First of all, set the Android board system mode to standalone mode. The first step is to copy the video or images to the root directory of the USB drive. Support USB flash drive formats as FAT or FAT3 to connect the USB drive to the Android board's USB interface. After detecting the USB flash drive, the program can automatically play in a loop. How to achieve partitioned playback? Create a playtask folder in the root directory of the USB drive. Create folder 1 in playtask. Then create 2 more folders named 1 and 2 respectively. The coordinates in parentheses correspond to the positions of the program. For details, please refer to the resolution displayed in LED art. Here we demonstrate a stacked playback. Default full screen playback without setting coordinates for region 2. Set the coordinates of region 1 to overlay and play on region 2. Finally, we will copy the video in folders 1 and 2 respectively. Wait for the system to copy after connecting the USB drive. After copying, the program on the USB drive can be displayed on the screen.